What are the challenges while using a small brass pressure roll? The brass roll heats up easily and harm the membrane, its coating, and create wrinkles. The PTFE pressure roller from Leister is more temperature resistant than other common pressure rollers made out of brass. It prevents the membrane and its texture of any damages. Due to the width of 8 mm, it distributes the pressure better and prevents wrinkles. The flat tubular rivet on both sides of the roller's axle does not protrude, so both sides of the pinch roller are flat. This also prevents damage to the plastic geomembrane during welding. It is used for waterproofing roofs and swimming pools.